how many things viewers will get in one video?
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
we start these videos for how to add
for only icons.
only
but
for
it's
icons.
Search their settings. Settings, then personalization, then themes. After desktop icons, and here you go. Whichever icon you want, you can just click, and you will get on your desktop itself. Another way is right click here and go to personalize, and the same panel will open here. You will get direct on personalization, then themes, and here it is desktop icon. See,
Whatever, everything.
yeah, everything
Sound,
are here.
color, mouse cursor.
And one more thing is
Theme.
sometimes if you open Microsoft Word, so there is dark mode, like that dark mode. Let me show you. Like this dark mode is there. If I open here Microsoft Word from here, because I have two Microsoft Words. Yeah. So see here in this icon and both side we have dark mode. Even we have here. So to avoid this, to change these things, we come here again on settings, then personalization, and take this theme or this theme. I usually
theme
prefer this one theme, this one. Then everything is become now. If I open again Word, see all thing we have white. So nice.
What is power pressure?
And that is that's in recording mode now. Actually, that is add-ins. Sometimes I'm going to upload same.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I will not edit anything.
Yeah. I think it's more enjoy.
You will enjoy.
Yeah, viewers can enjoy.
Okay, do you want to show your face?
Yeah.
I don't know if it is working. So we are going to reveal our faces.
Hi.
Hi. So he's saying, let's do
I am
something.
student and he's teacher.
No, that's wrong. Actually,
No, he is the teacher.
Okay,
You
whatever.
can see the glass. He is the teacher. Genius.
So, very great idea. If you want to become teacher, wear glass.
Oh. Funny,
Good. Kerala persons are very funny.
Yeah.
And they are very friendly.
Also,
very
Bihar
good.
persons.
Bihar is Bihar.
Yeah, just a code.
Bihar is Bihar. Okay. Now, still video is on.
I noticed this.
Yeah, this is power thresher. Actually, we have here in
The
Microsoft
camera is
Word.
still on.
Yeah, camera is
Okay.
still on. Actually, here we have
Mm.
in I think in
I'm talking
review-
about this also.
Yeah, right. Here we have Theshress. Theshress, it gives us synonyms and little more advanced. If I write here something, I write lesson.
Mm.
Then I select this word and same word I will get.
There is nothing.
Wait, I will get.
I can wait.
Yeah. Examples, message model, these all are.
Mm.
Then there we have some limitations. But if you install, that is add-ins of Microsoft Word 365. So
Only getting
here-
365.
Yeah, in previous version, I don't know if that's available. Let me check previous version. I have installed those versions also
Yeah. You have two Windows Office.
because I'm YouTuber.
I see.
YouTube.
Just subscribe this channel, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks.
I will give you
And
one party.
yeah. Not one day party. Give me the
Hinde paraya, what hinde paraya?
share of the income, okay?
What if I upload this video? They will think these guys are crazy.
Yeah, it's okay.
Huh? Are you sure?
Only
Okay.
craziest people get the.
Okay. Insert. No, here is no add inside. And here, I don't know. I'm not sure about these versions. Okay. Forget it. Then if I have this one and just click on power threshers, then we will get more.
We need internet for this.
Yeah, without internet, it will not work.
Okay.
All
So
add-ins.
guys, we should get one. Need the internet, okay?
What is saying? Search here again. I'm already searching. Okay, I'm searching here. Yes. I know people will think you
What's
get
this?
so crazy. Okay, here. synonyms, 948 synonyms. Lecture, moral, class, teaching. So here we had limitations in power Thesher. In Thesher, but power is power.
This is directly searching from Google, right?
Yeah, it's also searching from. So if we have these types of add-ins, we don't need to open Google or something. Same thing we can do here. To stay here in Microsoft Word, and we can do that.
Okay.
And another one more best thing is, if I take in here and some paragraphs, and I think this one you don't know.
What's this?
You know this?
I don't know.
Actually, this is for practice purpose, and
You already saved that content.
Yeah. Okay. Then if I write rand open brackets, for example, so I can explain.
3 paragraph, 2
3 paragraphs, 2 sentences. Each paragraph should have 2 sentences. Then hit OK. So we have 1, 2, 3.
Paragraph is right.
One is paragraph is correct, and sentence. One sentence is here. Another sentence we have here. Okay. In this one also, one sentence is still here, and another sentence from here till here.
Yeah.
No matter how much you write, you
The
will
content is worked in the...
That is Microsoft's by default on. Like in Photoshop, we have lorem ipsum.
Lorem ipsum. Yeah.
Ipsum. What is that?
It's ipsum. Just Google it.
I don't want to do that. No more confusions. We want to stay here only Microsoft.
Okay.
So in that case, if I take something.
It's lorem ipsum.
Ipsum, I think. And open bracket. I want to.
The rand is a function name, right?
Yeah, that is one function code to get some. Just
There is any another function name like rand?
I don't know that. So just select this. Now I want to speak. I want to tell this Microsoft Word like read this for me as a log. Actually, this is Microsoft 2021, I think. Okay. So it already has one option here. In review itself, read aloud.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point.
Okay.
When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add.
So
you can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document.
Sorry, whatever you can get wrong. They will think we are crazy. Okay, no problem. We are reading speed, so
themes and styles also help keep your document coordinated. When you click design and choose a new theme, the pictures, charts, and smart art graphics change to match your new theme.
You fully speak. But here we have only 3 voices.
Who is the third one? Mark.
First is David, another is Mark. Okay, Mark, speak this something for me.
To make your document look professionally produced, Word provides header, footer, cover page, and text box designs that complement each other. For example, you can add a matching cover page.
Actually, this thing is very important. You know why? Like we Indians, we have no more like pronunciations, exact pronunciation. So I think this is very helpful for those. Just write anything in Microsoft Word, then we can get this pronunciation. So no need to search in dictionary again and again. And this thing, one more thing. This is in Microsoft 2021, and I don't know. I'm not sure if it is in old versions, but if it is not available there, so we have another option here in insert, then get in add-ins. So from here, I think I have already installed that. See all. This one, read my document. This one here, just click add. I got here. Here we have more options related to this. Read my document. So select any paragraph. I'm selecting this. Then just read selected text. No, select the spec, read slow, whatever. We had there some lines, but here we have options.
Themes and styles also help keep your document coordinated. When you click design and choose a new theme, the pictures, charts, and smarter graphics change to match your new theme.
What is this?
When you apply styles, your headings change to match the new theme. Save time in Word with new buttons that show up where you need them.
To change the way the picture fits in your document, click it and a button for layout options appears next to it. When you work on a table,
I
click where
selected
you want
too
to add
much.
a row or a column, and then click the
Stop.
plus sign.
How to stop?
Stop.
You
Okay,
hear
we
me?
are selecting. She heard you. Huh?
Hmm.
Just put the, I don't know how many. Elena is good.
Oh, who's Elena?
She's a document reader,
Oh.
not my GF.
Mhm.
No, yeah. This one is Elena. Microsoft Server speech text to speech. So from here we are selecting this one, and first select here any other was
Hanan.
I don't know who is that.
Play.
Let's select.
Themes and styles also help keep your document coordinated. When you click design and choose a new
Okay, enough. Don't speak
Enough.
more.
Mm-mm-mm.
Okay, just close this. No, we don't need. We just wanted to show this.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Can we?
Ah,
Pause?
yeah.